What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see in Facebook how to watch or see recently watched videos. So let's head over there in our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, you have to go to this video section and here you can find all of your videos. So suppose I am just going to watch this one. Let's just and here goes the next video. So here you find the human icon on the top right, just beside the search icon. Tap on it and here you find the history. So click on history. Now here goes all of the videos you watched via this account. So yeah, this is how you can just watch your recently watched videos on Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.